The Pentagon just allocated over $1 billion to a battery technology that can charge instantly and store energy 1,000 times longer than anything we've seen before. These aren't your typical lithium-ion batteries. They're quantum batteries, and they could completely change modern warfare. Here's the issue the military faces. In combat zones, soldiers carry up to 20 pounds of batteries just to power their equipment for 72 hours. Vehicles need hours to recharge, leaving them vulnerable. And when supply lines get cut off, dead batteries mean dead soldiers. The Defense Logistics Agency spent $252 million on batteries in 2024 alone, but they still can't solve the fundamental problem. Conventional batteries are too slow to charge and die too quickly. Enter quantum batteries. Researchers at RMIT University and CSIRO just cracked the code on quantum energy storage. These batteries use quantum entanglement, where particles become connected at the subatomic level to charge collectively instead of individually. Think of it like this. Instead of filling a bucket one drop at a time, you're filling it all at once from every direction simultaneously. Here's how they work. Traditional batteries move electrons through chemical reactions, which takes time. Quantum batteries store energy in quantum states, essentially trapping energy at the atomic level where normal physics rules don't apply. For the military, this means a soldier's radio that takes 4 hours to charge could be ready in seconds. A tank that needs overnight charging could be combat-ready instantly. DARPA has already awarded contracts to companies like BAE Systems to develop quantum sensing for military antennas. But quantum batteries take this further. Imagine drones that never need to land for charging, electronic warfare systems that can operate continuously, or vehicles that can recharge from any energy source in seconds. The Pentagon's National Defense Authorization Act approved this billion-dollar quantum investment because they know whoever controls this technology controls the battlefield. China and Russia are racing to develop their own quantum military systems, making this a national security priority. Now, these quantum batteries are still in prototype stages. The longest energy storage achieved is microseconds. That's 0.00001 seconds. But researchers are scaling up rapidly, and the theoretical limits suggest we could see practical military applications within the next decade. This isn't just about better batteries, it's about redefining energy itself. When the Pentagon can deploy forces with unlimited instant energy, it changes everything from logistics to strategy. The military that masters quantum energy storage first gains an insurmountable advantage. What do you think about quantum batteries in warfare? Are we looking at the future of military technology, or is this just overhyped science? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into cutting-edge military tech, subscribe and hit that notification bell.